Ever since the arrival of man, the rate at which species around the world go extinct has rapidly increased. By the end of the century, it is expected that the rate will rise to 1% per year. With the expanding population of humans and the way humans negatively affect the environment around them, this number can only get worse. Diversity, or the variety of species of plants and animals, is very important as each species in an ecosystem provides an individual role and duty that must be fulfilled in order for an ecosystem to maintain balance. It takes a 5 to 10 million years to recover from the loss of biodiversity. Whether or not these species benefit human survival, every species has an intrinsic right to survive.
When it comes to how humans accelerate the extinction of species, it can be broken down into HIPCO, habitat destruction, degradation, and fragmentation, invasive and non-native invasive species, population and resource use growth, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation. Various treaties, conventions, and bills have been passed in an attempt to stop the catastrophic mass extinction brought by humans. Some of these include the CITES Treaty, BCD, the Endangered Species Act, and the Lacey Act. Various human-created locations such as zoos, aquariums, seed and gene banks, and botanical gardens can provide locations for species diversity to be maintained with the hopes that endangered species can be released into the wild, but these places are subject to controversy as well as limited in their funds and space. As the human species moves forward, the protection of diversity must be moved to the top of the list of priorities. Hopefully the negative effects of HIPCO can be undone and the world can avoid a major loss of biodiversity. But only with change can the thought of this be a prospective future. If there is no change, however, there may be no future.